Hey guys, welcome to Cookieless Ads. We are glad to have you on board. Trust me, guys, you're losing money every second if you're not using this product on your websites, landing pages, blogs, e-com stores, or any other digital real estate which you own. And with the latest iOS update, this is the only way for running a successful Facebook ad campaign in 2021 and beyond. So let's get started with a quick walkthrough of our Cookieless Ads app and how you can set it up in 3 simple steps. First, you need to log into your Cookieless Ads dashboard. So as you can see, I have already logged in. Now you need to click on Create Pixel. Our app will ask for a pixel name. So we'll just set it as Demo1. Okay. Here you need to add your Facebook pixel code, your Facebook access token, and a test event code. We also give you an option of adding multiple pixels in this particular campaign. So you can just click the plus button and add more pixel codes. So this is one of our Facebook ads account. Click on the menu tab and go to Events Manager. As you can see, we already have a pixel created. If you don't have this pixel already, you can create a new pixel by clicking this plus icon and choosing this web option and then just clicking connect. So click on the pixel, go to settings. Now we just need 3 details from this section. One is the pixel ID. I'll just click and copy it, and we'll go back to the Cookieless Ads dashboard and paste it. Now we need the Facebook access token. So just scroll down and you would see Facebook conversion API, and here you can see set up manually. Here we have the option of generating an access token. Just click generate access token. We will just click and copy it and we'll paste it over here. Now we need a test event code. So just click on test events tab. We need to copy this test event code. So this will tell us whether the app setup which we have done is successful or not, and whether we are getting all the data from your website successfully or not. We will just go back to Cookieless Ads and paste the test event code here. Now just click continue. Now we also have option of adding many custom events, so you can choose any of the custom events. For example, if you're running an e-com store and you want to track add to cart option, so you can just click add to cart and then you can add the currency values. And if you want to add, suppose for example, if you're running a lead gen campaign, so you can click leads, and again you can choose a currency. You can enter a value for the lead. For example, this lead cost me say $1, and just click continue. So this is the final code which we will receive, and this is the code which you need to add in the header section of your website, landing page, blog, or e-com store. So just click copy to clipboard, and for this demo we will paste this code in a demo web page which we have created. So this is our hosting, and we'll just click edit. So this is a demo page which we have created. We'll just paste the code and we will click save changes. So this is our test event page, and as you can see, we have started receiving data from our demo page. So this is the demo page on which we have added the code, and we have started receiving data from this page.